Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. Thanks for being here. If you haven't subscribed, guys, you know what to do. Click that link below. I'd really appreciate the support as I grow this channel. So, following on from last week's videos, okay, I'm keeping this authentic. I'm keeping it real and quite raw. I have no script. I'm just off the cuff, okay. But I just want to give you a bit of an update of what I've been doing in the last kind of week in my business. I've kind of been tidying up my email marketing, to be honest. Over the last week, I've deleted like nearly 900 subscribers from my system, from my autoresponder system, that is, because I think it's really important to clean up every now and again, because you need that deliverability, right? So I've realized that I wasn't getting a great deliverability, so I've got a few things, and I just wanted to run through it with you, just to give you a bit of a heads up of if and when you start this business, or if you are in the business already and you're not getting, your customers are maybe not seeing your emails because of many different things, but these points can seriously help. So what I've done, and you don't need to do this, number one, if you don't want to, but maybe just unsubscribe some people initially if you feel more comfortable with that. But what I did, I thought, right, we're in a new year, 2025. If people haven't engaged or opened my emails for the past, I think I did 60 days to start with, then I'm just going to delete them, because they obviously don't have an interest in what I'm doing, right? So some people just come in, they get nosy, the trouble is, if they don't open your emails over a period of time, that impacts the rest of the email campaign. So I cleaned up my system, and straight away that helped massively with my deliverability. But on top of that, I reached out to the actual software company and said, look, what can I do to really increase my open rates, my deliverability of the emails, so that ensure they land in people's inbox and not the junk folder. Okay, it's so important. And the tips I was given was, one was to not put any more than 2 affiliate links in one email. So I've received many emails from people that have got like 5 or 6 links in an email. Some are hidden behind images, some are just hidden behind text, some are at the bottom in a PS. It gets a bit silly. So they advised no more than 2 links if you want a good deliverability rate. So that was something I've obviously implemented. I was only doing about 3 anyway, to be honest. So I've just cut that down to 1, sometimes 2. So yeah, most of my emails now just have 1 link in them. Because if somebody wants to purchase, they'll purchase, right? If somebody wants more information or download a free guide, they'll do it. They don't need to see loads of links to do it. They're not stupid, right? They can just click on the link and it's actually highlighted. Right. So that's number 1. The other thing I have done is I've started using Bitly. So instead of using my affiliate link and just adding that to the email sequence behind like keywords like click here for more information or watch the video now, I've now used a Bitly link. So it's just another layer of security, I suppose, for the system, for the autoresponder, so they don't think you're just going to spam people all the time, because we're not, right? People have subscribed, they've opted in, they want the information. So 1, we're not going to send them loads of links, and 2, I now add a Bitly link. So it's just basically a link shortener, and it's a free software. So you just track that back to your affiliate link still, but I use Bitly links in my email sequence now. So that's the other thing that I've done recently as well. Another quick tip for you. I mean, I wasn't doing this anyway, but I know it's come to light for some people recently, and it's information I received, so I'm going to pass it on to you. Is ChatGPT is a great AI tool, and a lot of online business owners use that, me included. But what you shouldn't do is, if you're going to use that software to create an email campaign for your business, don't just be copying directly from ChatGPT and pasting it into an email campaign, right? Again, it's that AI to software, AI to autoresponder software. They don't like it. So paste it onto a Google Doc or a Word doc, something like that, and then copy it from that document into your autoresponder. It's just going to help deliverability. Autoresponders are so powerful these days. They can pick up on anything that's not authentic or being created with a specific audience in mind, I suppose, or for your business. So they don't want anything that's being AI generated. They don't want to be spamming people. They want it to be your work. So make sure you cover those points, and hopefully you'll start getting some better results with your email deliverability. It certainly helped my system. I've certainly jumped up to over 50% deliverability and open rate now, sorry. So it's really helped my email marketing campaigns. So there's my tips for this week, guys. I hope it's been of use to you, and I will see you next time. Don't forget, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Take care.